Good morning folks, or good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching it. But it's certainly morning for me, around 11 AM. And where am I today? East of the Lors Range, in the Lors Range but on the east, making my way up to Meall Greigh, Meall Garbh, and then across to An Stuc. And if we've still got a bit of time, I might go up Ben Lors, but we'll see how the legs are when we get there. I'll spin you around and give you a look. So we can see Meall Greigh on the right there. We're just going to work our way up the shoulder to the right hand side, and then coming across Meall Garbh, An Stuc, and Ben Lors is just in the clag there. I started in the Ben Lors car park, the Ben Lors hotel car park, and just worked my way along the public road and then up a path on the left after about 700 metres or so. So this is me a couple of kilometres in, ready to start making that ascent. Right, so next one will be somewhere on Meall Greigh. See you there. So just an update on where we are. Now reached the summit of Meall Greigh at 1001 metres, and let's give you a look at this view. It's absolutely stunning. So this is the view to the east. See Hallion in the background there. We're now looking over to our next Munro, which is Meall Garbh. And looking absolutely mean in the background is An Stuc. That looks unbelievably steep from here. I know there's a scramble on it, which I'm looking forward to, but yeah, it looks quite intimidating from here. So next one, I'll see you for a descent of around 200 metres to the point between Meall Greigh and Meall Garbh. See you there. So I'm making good progress down from Meall Greigh. That's the summit just behind me there. And the third waypoint is this lovely fence. So if you find yourself in bad weather, low visibility, this is what you want to stay by. The path runs pretty much parallel to it, so it could be a lifesaver. I'm sure plenty have used it in poor conditions. So just to give you a look at where we're going, this is Meall Garbh, just behind is An Stuc, big one of course is Ben Lors. That's me at the fourth waypoint, which is, well, just off the summit of Meall Garbh. So clouds are completely gone. It's turned out to be almost a perfect day for me. No direct sunlight, no clouds, no rain. Unbelievable. Anyway, let's spin you around, give you a look. So that's looking up to the summit and east. That's Meall Greigh, where we've just come from. Down to Loch Tay. Ben Lawers coming into view. Ben Glass just behind. And our next one, that is An Stuc. So we'll get up to An Stuc and then decide if we're going to go for Ben Lawers and then back down this shoulder if we do. If not, we'll drop down to a loch at the bottom of An Stuc. So waypoint number 5, summit of An Stuc. That was an incredibly steep climb, but the good thing with that is it makes it very quick. So yeah, let's give you a look. So looking back to Meall Greigh, Meall Garbh, and around to the north. And round to, that is Ben Lawers, cloud free and amazing. And there's a lovely view down to Loch Tay and this loch in the foreground as well. So, gonna have a quick drink, get refreshed. Quite a steep down, so see how we feel when we get to the Bielach between An Stuc and Ben Lawers. If I've got the legs, guess what, I'll go up it. And then what I'll do is I'll just work down that shoulder. If not, we'll come down and follow the right hand side of the loch and back onto the track, which is in the tree line in the distance. Right, see you at the next one for the Bielach between An Stuc and Ben Lawers. See you there. So that's me at the Bielach between An Stuc and Ben Lawers. I think I'm feeling a bit fresh, so I'm going to take on Ben Lawers and go down that shoulder, down to the tree line. But just to show you where I am, An Stuc up top. And this is the bypass path. No, not bypass, but return path if you were going home from here. But for me, it's straight up to the next one, and that's just the first bump. The next one is Ben Lawers. See you somewhere up there. Ben Lawers. Cracking. Let's have a look at the views. So looking back to Ben Glass in the Crane Larrick Hills. Swinging around to the east, there's a loch that we would have been going down. Not this time. It really is a stunning place. Right, so the plan is have a quick bite to eat, eat the last of the rations, and I'm going to start working down this shoulder. I see there is a path, so we'll see how far that goes and take a look at the map and see which part I can get down. But yeah, I'm aiming for this path and then the tree line just down here where we started. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll see you, it's a little bit further down the hill. So that's me just working my way down from Ben Lawers down the shoulder that I showed you earlier. You can see all the trick points and the cairns of everyone we've been to. Coming off Ben Lawers, An Stuc, Meall Garbh, Meall Greigh in the background, and this is the route we're going down. An absolute cracker of a day. Yeah, just those closing kilometres to go, then a 3-hour drive home. Go me. Right, we'll see you a little bit further down. Right, so that's me back down near the burn and on the return path. So I'll just show you where we've been. So up at the top at Ben Lawers and work my way down the shoulder. There is an option to cut the corner in, but it involves loads of heather bashing. So I just done a little bit of heather bashing. I really don't like it, so made my way for the path. Adds a kilometre or so on, but it is what it is. It's a nice night. So yeah, I'm just going to start walking back towards that tree line that we started at. I'll see you there. So that's me at the end of the boggy path. Now going on to a Land Rover track, which takes me back to the tree line and back to the van. Really long day. 4 Munros in Meall Greigh, Meall Garbh, An Stuc and Ben Lawers. Let's have a look at them. Meall Greigh, Meall Garbh, An Stuc in the middle, and Ben Lawers. Yeah, an absolute cracker of a day. Lots of mixed terrain as well, which was really fun. But yeah, very tired. Earned a pint tonight, I think. So I think what we'll do is just end the video there. Thanks for taking the time to watch. It's been my probably biggest walk on the Munros this far. I haven't done 4 in a row before. I've bagged 3 new ones as well, which takes me up to 30, which I'm over the moon with. The 4th one, Ben Lawers, I've already been up. I can link a video now and put it on the screen somewhere. But I'd just like to say thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to do so, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.